Welcome to Meniuu. In this learning path, you will discover how to set up online ordering for pickup so your customers can place orders easily and collect them directly from your restaurant. This course is focused on a simple idea: helping your restaurant receive pickup orders in a clear, organized, and convenient way. Your customers can browse your menu, choose their items, place the order, and pick it up when it is ready. One of the most important things to understand about this course is that pickup is not only about placing an order online, it is about creating a complete flow from the moment the customer finds your restaurant to the moment the order is handed over. First, you will learn the customer side. You will learn how customers can find your restaurant through your website, your social media, or your Google business profile. Open your menu, choose their items, select pickup, and complete the order in a simple way. The goal is to make ordering easy from the places where people already discover your business. Second, you will learn the restaurant side. Once a pickup order is placed, your team needs a clear way to receive it and prepare it. If you already use Meniuu as part of your restaurant operation, pickup orders can fit directly into your workflow. If you only want to use Meniuu for pickup orders, that also works. You can simply use a dedicated tablet at the counter or in the kitchen so your staff can receive and manage incoming orders. Third, you will understand the pickup flow inside the restaurant. Because the customer is coming to collect the order, your team needs to prepare it clearly, organize timing, and make sure the handoff is smooth and accurate. Throughout this learning path, you will also understand how the order moves from the customer to your staff, how your team is notified, and how pickup can be handled in a more practical and organized way. This is what makes pickup inside Meniuu simple and effective. It helps your restaurant receive orders directly, organize preparation clearly, and create a smoother experience for both your customers and your staff. Let's begin.